one nice new quality of life feature in PC Crash 16 is the ability to group vehicles. So you see what I've got here is something where I've got sort of one main impact. Here, let's turn off the deactivated vehicles. So this is my main collision. I've also got some vehicles that are in the rest positions. Let's see, every time I want to turn one vehicle off, on or off, I have to toggle these things. So let's say this is an alternate collision. So what I can do now is, let's say for these rest position vehicles, just select them all and say group. I'm going to call this group rest. So now I can toggle them all on and off at once. Same thing for my alternate scenario. And same thing for my main scenario. I can hide the display on them. So let's say that there's my primary impact. Let's just take a look at that. So truck 1 and Ford 2, that's my main impact right there. If I toggle those off and toggle these guys on, so it still has that first crash handy. Let's just see if I stop that, and I want to do instead these guys colliding. But let's say I want to do a higher speed on my truck and maybe a lower speed on my Ford. Run that out. Away we go. And we go past our rest positions. Just going to stop that just for display purposes. But I could have both active at the same time to show the difference between them. Or I can toggle one or the other off as I like. Pretty straightforward. Now these groups can even be nested. Let's say I want to move this into here. I can make the alternate group be a subpart of another group. But it doesn't necessarily toggle them all on and off. So different ways you can organize. Anyhow, that's vehicle groups in PC Crash 16.0.